If you're a fan of motorsport, there's a good chance you've come across the Tissot MotoGP collection before. For more than 20 years, Tissot have been the official timekeeper of MotoGP, and throughout their partnership, the brand has released some truly memorable racing-inspired watches. Their latest release continues that tradition with the Tissot T-Race MotoGP 2026 Limited Edition, a watch that captures the speed, precision, and engineering that defines motorcycle racing. Before we get to the watch itself, let's just take a moment to appreciate the presentation this comes in. Tissot has continued the tradition of packaging its MotoGP limited editions in this fantastic helmet-shaped presentation box. It's details like this that collectors really appreciate, and it certainly adds the exclusivity of the watch. From the moment you take it out of the box, it's clear that it isn't just your average chronograph. Everything about the design takes its inspiration from MotoGP bikes. The bezel resembles a motorcycle brake disc, instantly giving the watch a bold and mechanical look, combined with the striking red rubber strap, which takes an inspiration from the motorcycle engine components. It's a timepiece that proudly wears its racing heritage on its sleeve. Now, one of the standout features has to be the dial. Unlike a traditional watch face, the T-Race MotoGP features a skeleton dial, allowing you to see the movements working beneath. The open work design lets you appreciate the engineering gone into the watch, making it just as interesting to look at as it is to wear it. It's powered by the automatic chronograph movement, which perfectly reflects the world of MotoGP, where every component is designed with performance and precision in mind. It's a fitting choice for a watch inspired by one of the fastest and most demanding motorsports in the world. Of course, what makes this release even more special is its exclusivity. It's restricted to just 2,026 pieces worldwide, making it a fitting tribute to this year's championship season. What I really like about this watch is it doesn't try to be understated at all. Every design choice has a purpose, from the brake disc bezel and the skeleton dial to the bold red rubber strap. It embraces its racing inspiration without compromise, yet still delivers the quality and craftsmanship you'd expect from a Swiss-made Tissot. It's sporty, technical, and packed with character, while still being practical enough to wear day to day. Overall, this limited edition watch is a fantastic celebration of Tissot's long-standing partnership with MotoGP. It combines that eye-catching design with the proven mechanical performance, making it a brilliant choice for collectors, racing fans, or anyone just looking for a chronograph that offers something a little different. If you're after a watch that is inspired by the thrill of the track and backed by over 2 decades of MotoGP history, this is definitely one worth considering. So let us know in the comments below what you think, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.